Hello dear students, welcome to the first lecture of arithmetic progression. In the last lecture we have seen the formula to find out the sum of nth term of an AP, and we have seen some basic questions based on this formula. Now in this lecture we will continue some more tricky questions based on this formula. We have seen this formula in the last lecture, Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Or the second formula is Sn equal to n by 2, a plus an. Now let's solve some more questions. See the first question. So that sequence defined by an equal to 3 plus 4n form an AP. Also find the sum of first 15 terms of an AP. So here nth term of an AP is defined by 3 plus 4n. First of all, we have to prove that this sequence will form an arithmetic progression, and then we have to find out the sum of first 15 terms, that is S15, that we need to find out. So first of all, let's prove that an equal to 3 plus 4n will form an arithmetic progression. So here an equal to 3 plus 4n given. Now if you want to find out the sequence of number, then we have to find out the first term, second term, third term, like this. So if you want to find out the first term, that is a1, so replace this n with 1, so you will get 3 plus 4, and in place of n we will put 1. So we will get the first term equal to 7. Same way, if you want to find out the second term, then we will replace this n with 2. So you will get 3 plus 4 multiplied 2. So that is equal to 8 plus 3, that is 11. Similarly, if you want to find out the third term, we replace this n with 3. So we'll get this is 12 plus 3, that is 15. And same way we can find out the fourth term by replacing n with 4. So it will be 16 plus 3, that will be 19, and so on. So here you can observe that the first number of the series is 7, second is 11, third is 15, fourth is 19, and so on. So if you observe, the difference between successive number is remain same. Here if you find out the difference between second term and first term, so second term is 11, first term is 7, so we'll get the difference 4. Same way if you find out the difference between third term and second term, so third term is 15 and second term is 11, then also you will get the difference 4. Similarly, you can find out the difference between fourth term and third term, that is also remains same. So here the common difference between consecutive number is remain same. So we can say that an equal to 3 plus 4n will form an arithmetic progression. And in this arithmetic progression, we can see here the first term a is 7 and the common difference is 4. Now here we want to find out the sum of first 15 terms. It means you will take n equal to 15 and we will find out the value of S15. So here we know the formula for S15. The formula is Sn equal to n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1d. Here in place of n we will put 15. So here solve it, as 15 will be equal to n by 2. So n is 15 divided by 2 multiplied by 2. A is the first term, that is 7. N is 15 minus 1, and common difference that we get 4 here. So if you simplify this, 15 divided by 2, 7 multiplied by 2, 14 plus 15 minus 1, that is 14, and 14 multiplied by 4. So we'll get 56. This will be 15 divided by 2, and this 14 plus 56 will be 70. So here we get sum of first 15 term equal to here 2 and 70 will be cancelled out. So 15 multiplied with 35, then you will get the answer 525. So sum of first 15 term of given arithmetic progression is 525. This is our answer. Let's see the question number 2. If the sum of the first 4 terms of an AP is 40, sum of first 4 terms is given 40, and the sum of first 14 terms is given 280. So find the sum of first n terms. So if you first of all write down the given data, sum of first 4 terms, that is S4, is given 40, and the sum of first 14 term, S14, is given 280, and we have to find out Sn. So first of all, let's take S4 equal to 40, that is given to us. Now if you put the formula for S4, the formula will be n by 2 into bracket 2a plus n minus 1d. Here in place of n we will put 4, so this becomes 4 divided by 2, 2a plus 4 minus 1d, that is equal to 40. Now if you simplify it, 4 divided by 2, that is 2, into the bracket 2a plus 4 minus 1, that is 3d, equal to 40. If you take this 2 to the denominator here, then we will get 2a plus 3d equal to 40 divided by 2, so we will get 20 here. So we get one equation here. Now if you take the another given data, second thing is given, the sum of first 14 term is 280. If you see here, that sum of 14 term is 280. So let's take this second given data, sum of first 14 term is 280, and if you put the formula for Sn, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 multiplied d equal to 280. Here in place of n we will put 14, so we will get 14 divided by 2 to 2a plus 14 minus 1 multiplied d equal to 280. So if you simplify this, 14 divided by 2, that is 7, into the bracket 2a plus 14 minus 1, 13d equal to 280. This 7 will go into the denominator here, so we will get 2a plus 13d is equal to 280 divided by 7, that will be 40. So here we get the equation number 2. So you can see here the equation number 1 is 2a plus 3d equal to 20, and second equation 2a plus 13d equal to 40. So if you solve those two equations, then we will get the value of a and d from here. So let's solve those equations. Let me write those equations. First equation, 2a plus 3d equal to 20. Let me write it here. 2a plus 3d equal to 20. And the second equation, 2a plus 13d equal to 40. So that 2a plus 13d equal to 40. Now if you do the subtraction of those two equations, this is equation 1, this is equation 2. If you do the subtraction here, then we get this 2a minus 2a, so we cancel out, and 3d minus 13d, so we'll get minus 10d equal to 20 minus 40, that is minus 20. So we will get the value of d minus 20 divided by minus 10. minus minus cancel out, so we get d equal to 2. Now if you put d equal to 2 in any of this equation, then we will get the value of a. For example, if you put d equal to 2 in equation 1, equation 1 is 2a plus 3d equal to 20. Here in place of d we will put 2, so here we get 2a equal to 20 minus 6, so we will get 2a equal to 14, or we will get a equal to 14 divided by 2, that is 7. So here we get a equal to 7 and d equal to 2. Now we want to find the formula for Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. N will remain as it is. 2 in place of a we will put 7 plus this is n minus 1, and in place of d we will put 2. So we get the answer n by 2. So this 7 multiplied by 2, 14, plus this 2 will multiply into the bracket, so we get 2n minus 2. So if you further simplify it, it will be n by 2, and here 14 minus 2, it will be 12 plus 2n. Now we get this is n by 2, and from this bracket if you take 2 common, then into the bracket we get 6 plus n. So here this 2 will be cancelled out, so we get n multiplied with 6 plus n. So if you multiply this n into the bracket, then we get Sn equal to 6n plus n square. So this is our answer. The formula for Sn will be equal to 6n plus n square. Question number 3. How many terms of an AP, the AP is given, how many terms of this AP must be taken so that their sum is 180? Explain the double answer. So first of all, let's find out how many terms are needed in this arithmetic progression to get the sum equal to 180. So how many means we have to find out the value of n. The sum is given, sum of n term is 180. Now in this arithmetic progression, the first term a is given 45, and if you want to find out the d, you can use the formula a2 minus a1. So a2 is the 39, second term, and a1 that is 45. So we'll get the common difference equal to minus 6. Now to find out the value of n, we will put the formula of Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 into the bracket 2a plus n minus 1 d. The value of Sn is given 180 equal to n divided by 2 to the bracket 2, a is 45 plus n minus 1, and d is given minus 6. So if you simplify this equation, these 2 will multiply with 180, so you get 360 equal to n. 45 multiplied with 290, and here this minus 6 will multiply with this bracket, so it becomes minus 6n, and here minus minus plus 6. So here we will get 360 equal to n, and 90 plus 6, it will be 96 minus 6n. So further simplify, this n will multiply into the bracket, so it will 96n minus 6n square. Now if you take this equation this side, then we get 6n square minus 96n plus 360 equal to 0. Or from this equation we can take 6 common. If you take 6 common here, n square, here we will get 16n plus here we will get, if you take 6 common, then we will get 60 equal to 0. So equation become n square minus 16n plus 60 equal to 0. This 6 will go into the denominator here, so it becomes 0. So now you get the quadratic equation. And now to find out the value of n from this quadratic equation, we know the method of splitting the middle term. Here we will split this middle term 16. So we can split it as minus 6n minus 10n plus 60 equal to 0. Now from first two pair, if you take n common, then we will get n minus 6, and from those two we will take minus 10 common, so we will get n minus 6 equal to 0. Hence we get n minus 6 and n minus 10 equal to 0. So we get the value of n equal to 6 and n equal to 10. So here we get a 2 value of n. That's why they have asked the question. See, in the question they ask the explain double answer. We get here 2 value of n. We get n equal to 6 and n equal to 10. So why we get 2 value of n? So to understand this, let's see the series again. The series is 45, then 39, 33, like this. So let me write this series here. The series is 45, 39, and 33, and 27. The series will go like this. If you further expand this series, after 27 we will get 21 and 15, then we will get 9 and 3, then we will get minus 3, then we will get minus 9, and so on. So here if you take n equal to 6, means if you take first 6 term, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. If you take this much of terms, then we will get the sum of the term equal to 360. That is given here. Sorry, 180. We will get the sum equal to 180 here. For example, if you take this 6th term, then we will get the addition will be equal to 180. Now instead of this 6th term, if you consider the 10 term, and 10 term means this is 7, 8, 9, 10. Means if you consider this whole series, then also the addition will be 180 only, because if you see here, this is plus 9, this is minus 9, this is plus 3, this is minus 3. So this will be cancelled out. So either if you take first 6th term, or if you take first 10 term, the addition will be 180 only. That's why we get the double answer here. I think you got this question. Okay. Now let's move to the next question. So very beautiful question. If the sum of first n term of an AP is n square, then find its 10th term. So we are given Sn equal to n square, and we have to find 10th term, means we have to find A10. So to solve this question, first let me introduce one formula. Formula is An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. First, let's understand this formula. An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. For example, if you are given any series and if you want to find out let's say, if you want to find out the 5th term of any series, then we can do it like this according to this formula. Sum of first 5 term minus sum of n minus 1, that is sum of first 4 term. So if you find out the sum of first 5 term, and from that sum if you subtract sum of first 4 term, from the sum of first 5 term, if you subtract sum of first 4 term, then you will get the 5th term, right? So in this question we want to find out the sum of first 10 term. So here we can write it like this: the sum of first 10 term will the 10th term of an AP will be equal to sum of first 10 term minus the sum of first 9 term. From the sum of first 10 term, if you subtract the sum of first 9 term, then you will get the 10th term of an AP. So this is what the meaning of this formula is. Very short question, but if this question is asked in your exam, then you may get confused. So here the formula is A10 equal to S10 minus S9. So first of all, let's find out the S10 and S9. So to find out the S10, you can see here Sn equal to n square. So if you want to find out S10, then here in place of n square we will put 10 square. So we will get the value of S10 equal to 10 square, that is 100. And same way, if you want to find out the 9 term of an AP, 9, so it becomes 9 square, that will be 81. So put this value in this formula: A10 equal to S10 minus S9. S10 is 100 minus S9 is 81. So we get 10th term of an AP equal to 19. Okay. So question is very easy, but you need to remember this formula. You should understand this formula thoroughly. So you may get easily confused if this type of question is asked in the exam. So just remember this formula. Okay. Now let's solve one more problem based on this formula. See the question number 5. If the sum of first n terms of an AP is 4n minus n square, then what is the first term? And next question, what is the sum of first 2 terms? And what is the second term? And similarly find third, 10th and nth terms. So first of all, let's see what is given. Sum of first n terms of an AP, that is Sn equal to 4n minus n square, that is given to us. Now what is the first term? So first term will be equal to sum of first term S1, because sum of first term and first term both will be same thing. So if you want to find out S1, it means here we will replace this n with 1. So we will get 4 multiplied 1 minus 1 square. So we get 4 minus 1, that is 3. So we get S1, or you can say the first term of an AP is 3. Now if you want to find out the sum of first 2 term S2, then we will replace this n with 2. So this is 4 multiplied 2 minus 2 square. So if you simplify this, you will get S2 equal to, this is 8 minus 4. So you will get the answer 4. So you will get the sum of first term, or first term, that is 3, and sum of first 2 term is 4. Now if you want to find what is the second term, so here we can use the formula An equal to Sn minus Sn minus 1. If you want to find out the second term A2, then we can use sum of first 2 term minus sum of first term. So you will know the sum of first 2 term, that is 4, minus sum of first term, that is 3. So we get the second term equal to 1. So you can see here the first term is 3, second term of an AP is 1. So we can say the common difference will be how much? the common difference will be a2 minus a1. So second term is 1 and first term is 3. So we will get the common difference equal to minus 2. So here we know the value of a, that is first term 3 and common difference is minus 2. Now if you want to find out the third term of an AP, third term means a3. So the formula for a3 will be a plus 2d. Here we know the a is the first term and the first term is, we know here what is the first term. Yes, this is the first term, that is 3, and the common difference is minus 2. So if you put it here, a is the first term, that is equal to 3 plus 2 and d is minus 2. So you will get the third term equal to, if you simplify this, you will get third term is minus 1. And same way, if you want to find out the 10th term, we'll use the formula a plus 9d. A is 3 plus 9 and d is equal to minus 2. So if you simplify it, 3 and this is minus 18, so 3 minus 18 it will be minus 15. So 10th term of an AP will be minus 15. Now another question is, we have to find nth term. Nth term is an. So if you put the formula an equal to a plus n minus 1d. So here in place of a we will put 3 n minus 1 and in place of d we will put minus 2. Now multiply this minus 2 into the bracket, so we get minus 2n and minus minus plus 2. So here we get an equal to, here this 3 plus 2, that is 5 minus 2n. So this is the answer of nth term of an AP. Nth term is 5 minus 2n. So here we get all the answer of this question. First they ask what is the first term. So we get the first term equal to 3. Then what is the sum of first two term? So that is s2, that we got 4. Then what is the second term? So to find out the second term, we use the formula an equal to sn minus 1. So that is a2 equal to s2 minus s1. s2 is 4 and s1 is 3, so we get a2. Then we have to find out the third term, 10th term and nth term. So to find out this term, first of all we have to find out the common difference. The common difference d equal to a2 minus a1. So a2 is 1 and a1 is 3, so we have to find out the common difference. And then we have put the formula for third term, 10th term and nth term. The formula for third term will be a plus 2n, that we already know. The formula for 10th term, that will be a plus 9d. And the formula for nth term will be a plus n minus 1d. So this is how we solve this question. So here we have almost solved all the type of question of this chapter, and in the next lecture we will solve the most important question of this chapter, and we will solve some questions that have asked in the board exam, CBSE board exam in 2019 and 2020. That we will solve in the next lecture. So thank you, bye, and have a great day.